Introducing the Samsung Digital Biometric Mortise Door Lock, the SHP-DH538, with the additional fingerprint sensor. This product is the mid-level to our Mortise range. The SHP-DH538 includes the optional ability to lock your door automatically once the door shuts, features a random security code to stop intruders from guessing your PIN code, and a long battery life with an expectancy of 12 to 24 months, averaging 10 users a day, and a 30% battery warning. If the batteries do go flat, you can easily power up the lock with a 9-volt battery. Entry options include 100 users, either using a PIN code or a fingerprint, and 5 backup mechanical keys. The SHP-DH538 is recommended for professional installation. Installation requirements include 40 to 60 mm door thickness, a back set of 70 mm, and a lock style of 115 mm. The Samsung digital door locks all come with a 2-year electronic and 7-year mechanical warranty with a lifetime support line with our expert engineers. Welcome to the future of door hardware. Welcome to the Samsung digital door locks.